Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur looking to modernize your payment processes, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to receive ACH payments from customers in 2025. ACH, or Automated Clearinghouse, is a secure electronic network for transferring funds in the US, and with updates coming in 2025, it's more efficient than ever. Let's break this down step by step so you can start implementing it right away. First off, why choose ACH? In 2025, expect faster processing times, up to 50% quicker than traditional methods, lower transaction fees, and enhanced security features like advanced fraud detection. This makes it perfect for subscriptions, invoices, or one-time payments, helping you get paid faster and reduce costs. To get started, you'll need a business bank account that supports ACH transfers. Most major banks do, but double-check for any 2025 compliance updates, like new verification requirements. Next, sign up with a reliable payment processor such as Stripe, Square, or PayPal, which now offer seamless ACH integration. Once set up, enable ACH as a payment option in your system. It might involve linking your bank account and setting payment rules. Here are the key steps. Step 1. Verify your customer's banking details to ensure smooth transactions and minimize errors. Step 2. Use tools like Plaid for secure bank account verification, which is becoming standard in 2025. Step 3. Handle the transaction process. When a customer opts for ACH, the funds are pulled from their account and deposited into yours, usually within 1 to 3 business days. Don't forget to communicate clearly with customers about any potential holds or fees on their end. One pro tip. Always stay compliant with regulations like NACHA rules, which are evolving in 2025 to include better data privacy. This will protect your business from disputes and chargebacks. If you're worried about setup, many processors offer tutorials or support. In summary, receiving ACH payments can boost your cash flow and customer satisfaction. Give it a try in 2025, your business will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.